Hello guys, in this video I am going to show some use cases of htacces. So create an htacces file. We can name it .htaccess and you can see the file is saved as .htaccess. Open that in your code editor, and here you can see in our folder, in our main directory, we have a folder called images and this .htaccess file. As it is a hidden file, that's why it's not showing here. So what I am going to do, I am hiding this view. So if you access the folder link, you will be able to see, or you will be able to access all the files inside this directory. So what I am going to do, I am going to add a single line of code into the htacces file like this, and when I refresh, it will show that is forbidden. Okay. If I access the images file folder, it's also show forbidden. Okay. So you can protect your directory from public access by using htacces. Another use case is if you create a file called home.php and add some text. Okay, simply add some h1. When you access home.php, you will get the web page. If you access without just home, it show not page not found. So we can hide the URL extension using htacces. I will show you. Open the code editor and open htacces once again and add this single line of code, and that will hide the .php extension. So also you have to add the rewrite engine on and in the top of that. Then you can see when you access the home.php file with or without extension, it will work. So the next thing is we are going to make SEO friendly URL from dynamic URLs. So I am going to create a file called blog.php and here you can see I wrote a few lines of code in PHP, and if you access the URL like blog.php and link equal to hello, the link is equal to hello, it will show the hello world. If I add anything else, it will show nothing, and you can see the URL not look great. So we can change something like this. If you access the URL /hello, and we have to get that page. So for that we are going to add a 2 lines of code into our htacces file. So we are removing that blog.php and question mark link. So when we access this, we will be able to get the domain. If I add anything else, I will get nothing. So this is how it's working. Hope you like this video, and we'll see you in the next one.